Hello friends, my name is Manpreet Kaur. My student ID is 303808875. Today I present iTech 5500 presentation, Modern Design and Technologies in Greenhouse. What is modern greenhouse? Greenhouse, also known as a glasshouse building designed for the protection of out-of-season plants against extreme cold or heat. The advanced nursery is normally a glass or plastic encased frame structure that is used for the production of organic products, vegetable, flowers, and any other plants that require special condition of temperature. Purpose of greenhouse. Purpose of greenhouse is to shield crop from excess cold or heat and unwanted pests. A greenhouse makes it possible to grow certain types of crops year-round and fruits, tobacco, certain plants, vegetable and flowers what a greenhouse most commonly grows. Background. The concept behind greenhouse dates back all the way to Roman times when Emperor Tiberius demanded to eat an American cucumber every day, for which his gardeners had to use a system similar to that in a modern greenhouse to make sure he had one each day. The concept of greenhouse is also appeared in Netherlands and then England in 17th century. Is modern greenhouse good or bad? Greenhouse fill in as a shield among nature and what you are growing. Along these lines, permit developing season to be reached out just as a possibly improved. There are two kinds of greenhouses, cold and hot. The motivation behind a cold houses is to expand the developing season in the spring by permitting beginning harvest period and in the fall by the permitting yield to develop longer. Hot nurseries are utilized to keep up tropical farms. Plants to warm they require supplement heat. Technologies in greenhouse. There are three kinds of technology that increase the production that are worth. Automation technology, smart irrigation technology, and LED technology. Automation technology is offer a greenhouse long-term opportunities. That opportunity vary depending on what part of produce process is being automated. Smart irrigation technology monitoring a moisturizing level and water system using a waste which reduce the waste and improves the plant length. LED technology of the probably most approachable and familiar technology to greenhouse grower which offer the huge energy saving. Design of modern greenhouses. There are basic three design of modern greenhouse: freestanding style, ridge and furrow style, retractable roof or open roof. Freestanding style is a frame type of feature and arc cullinar style. Ridge and furrow style consist a number of even span greenhouse connected to along the length of the greenhouse. Retractable roof is a design of flat roof or frame type retractable roof. Greenhouse can be used a basic protection of crops as a complete crop production. Advantages of greenhouses. There are plethora advantages of greenhouses such as off-season crops, greater control pests and weeds and disease, more efficient use productive resources. You prevent the crops are under the stress due to extreme temperature and harmful humidities, improve the production. The fact of growing in a closed environment with favorable climatic growing is a closed environment with a favorable condition for growing can assume a priori the further development of pests and disease that growing outdoors. On the other hand, there are disadvantages of modern greenhouse. You need a sizable initial investment, precise greenhouse design, high production cost. Greenhouse structure and design is a relatively expensive, which can be challenging for many farmers. A greenhouse needs to be designed and engineered taking into account very precise details and elements such location. High production cost. Operational costs for greenhouse farming are generally higher than those the open field. Future of greenhouse technology. Intelligent automation, self-sufficient water system, optimizing lighting levels, strategic shading, automated irrigation system, pH sensor, and climate control software can all be used to solve the common problems faced by the indoor farmers. When it comes to water uses, most greenhouses can become self-sufficient if they use right rainwater harvesting system put in place. Commercial classes can how create the perfect growing environment with a series of strategically placed redundant screens to providing a URP and serving thermals. There are some references which I provide in this presentation. Thank you.